The summer of 1858 descended upon London with an intensity that felt almost personal. Heat shimmered over the city's rooftops, baking the streets and pressing down on its millions of residents. But the true misery came not from the sun. It rose from the River Thames. What had once been a proud artery of trade had become by mid-century a slow-moving mass of filth. For decades, London's waste, industrial runoff, household refuse, and human sewage had been funneled directly into the river. As the population surged, the Thames became overwhelmed, transforming into a churning, toxic broth. That summer's heat accelerated the decay. The river frothed and bubbled, releasing a stench so powerful that Londoners described it as a physical presence, something that clung to clothing and seeped through walls. Newspapers dubbed it the Great Stink, and the name captured the horror perfectly. People fled riverside streets. Vendors abandoned their stalls. Even seasoned dock workers gagged as they passed the water's edge. Inside the newly built Houses of Parliament, situated unfortunately close to the river, the situation became unbearable. Politicians tried to continue their debates, but the odor invaded the chambers with relentless force. Desperate measures followed. Curtains soaked in chloride of lime were hung over windows, and officials stuffed handkerchiefs against their faces. Still, the smell persisted. The crisis could no longer be dismissed as an inconvenience. It had become a national embarrassment. Public health fears intensified. London had already suffered repeated cholera outbreaks, and although many still believed in the miasma theory, that disease spread through foul air, the connection between the polluted river and sickness was becoming undeniable. Something had to change. Enter Joseph Bazalgette, the visionary engineer whose plan would reshape the city. He proposed an ambitious network of underground sewers designed to intercept waste before it reached the Thames and carry it far downstream. The project was vast, expensive, and unprecedented. Yet the Great Stink had done what decades of debate could not. It forced Parliament to act. Bazalgette's system, completed over the following years, transformed London. The river slowly recovered, cholera outbreaks waned, and the city emerged cleaner and healthier. The Great Stink, though infamous, became the catalyst for one of the most significant public health revolutions in modern urban history.